Is your interior just really dirty all the time and you don't know what to do? It's better to keep your car clean than it is to make it clean. In this video, we're going to show you how to maintain the interior of your car, how to keep it clean and protect it. Let's go ahead and get started. So, your interior is dirty. How are we going to clean it? I'm an every 2 week type of interior cleaner. I like to keep my car clean rather than make it clean. It's so much easier to keep it clean than it is to make it clean. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to do that in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell. So what I'm going to do is take my handy dandy little microfiber. Now, if you're like most people, you're not a professional detailer, you don't have access to compressed air, which makes things a lot easier and a lot faster. So what I did was I dunked a microfiber towel into my Opticoat No Rinse that I use to wash the car. It's going to help it's better than water. It's going to help pick up some of the dirt, also leave a little protection behind. So basically, your pain points. You're not going to get everything. This is a maintenance. This is not a complete perfection, everything clean detail. You're going to maintain the flat surfaces, the big surfaces, the ones you touch, especially maybe during a virus season, the cold season, something like that. So you just wipe down all your your most commonly touched areas, or the flattest areas where it's going to be very dusty. Your center console. Now this one has a lot of piano black, so I try not to touch that too much because it's very sensitive and scratches very easily. So just kind of wipe everything down. You can be as thorough as you want. I wouldn't scrub too hard. You're dusting, you're wiping. Opticoat No Rinse smells really good, by the way. Maybe your handles up here, stuff up here that you touch. The back side of your rear view. Move over to the door panel here. This is where the dirt likes to hide out, in these corners. Like I said, you're not going to make this perfect, but you're going to knock some of the dust off. So when you get your car detailed by the professional, he'll spend less time on it and he'll charge you less. Put some rubber mats down and don't worry about your carpet. You do many things to keep your vehicle clean. It'll be more enjoyable. Who wants to ride around in a nasty, filthy car all the time? Now that we've kind of wiped everything down, I'm going to use Optimum's leather interior plastic protector, Protect It Plus. If I get the spray out, spray it on this little applicator. You kind of wipe it in circles. It's like maybe they used wax in the old days. What this will do is create a barrier between the surface and the dirt. Still going to get dust to lay on it, but this stuff is like a dust repellent rather than this factory plastic is more like a dust magnet. So this will help to not only preserve the material by protecting it from the sun, it's going to keep it cleaner for longer and make it easier to clean when you do need to clean it. And of course you want to wipe kind of all the same areas that you touch a lot, that we already wiped down. You don't need to wipe this stuff off once you put it in. It kind of levels itself, soaks in. I know I didn't wipe down my leather. I did that last time. It doesn't need to be cleaned all the time because I have my protective dressing on there. Shift knob. This stuff, depending on conditions, might last 6 months. It's not meant to be super duper amazing glossy, just made to protect, preserve, protect, keep it cleaner for longer, look better. It maintains that kind of natural finish, whatever the finish the factory has given it is that's what it tries to maintain that. Doesn't try to add any super duper amazing gloss. You can go back over it. If you see some streaks, you can wipe over it again. Review your seat if you want to. This stuff has cleaning properties in it as well. Now when you put this on, try not to touch it. You know, give it a good half an hour to kind of soak in before you go sitting in your seat or touching anything. Well, it's that simple. Just repeat the process throughout the whole vehicle. The driver's area is usually the dirtiest, so typically you have to spend more time on it than the other areas. And what I would do is slide this seat forward. When you get to the back, do driver's, slide it forward, go to the back. Do the same thing once you're finished the passenger front, slide that seat forward. Just gives you more space. Dirt likes to go under the seats. If you have a shop vac, try using your upright vacuum with an attachment. That might work. You're not going to get it perfect. That's what you're paying me for, but you're going to help to maintain the cleanliness of it. And you know, for me, a clean car is all about enjoyment. If it's filthy and disgusting, I don't want it. If detailing didn't exist, I'd probably trade my car in every 3 months because I wouldn't get to take it. So this is just to help you keep your car clean between bringing it to the professional. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments what the dirtiest part of your interior is. Is it your driver's area? What bothers you the most about your dirty interior? Or what do you like most about the clean interior, the clean part of the interior? Do you have leather, cloth, leather wrap steering wheel, how to protect leather? We'd love to hear your comments and questions. Subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and hit the notification bell so you can see our future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.